Welcome back, artists. Today we're diving into light and shadow, the secret to making your drawings look 3D. Without shading, your work can feel flat. But with the right values and shadows, even a simple circle can turn into a realistic sphere. Every shading starts with asking, where's the light coming from? The side facing the light will be the brightest. The side away from the light will be the darkest. Value shows us how light or dark something is. A value scale goes from white to gray to black color. Highlight is the brightest spot. Midtones are the middle values. Coarse shadow is the darkest area. Cast shadow is the shadow on the ground. And reflected highlights are light bouncing back from the ground up towards the object. Hatching, lines going one direction. Cross-hatching, lines crossing each other. Stippling, dots for shading. Blending, smooth shading, you can use your finger, blending stump or digital brush.